take the next question. There is a myth in the market that people from a small villages or small towns cannot be a good entrepreneur, or they cannot build an empire like the people from the metros. So is there a myth in the market, or people from small cities or hometown also they can live up with the dreams that the metro people have right now in the market? So what are your
Okay,
views about that, ma'am?
okay, this is one of my favorite questions. Reason being because I stay in a very small town. So for all the people who are listening to us and thinking about the small time story, small town story, see,
Yeah.
anything and everything is possible if you have the caliber inside you to fulfill the dreams that you want to achieve. So if I have a goal which is structured and which I know that I'm going to or want to achieve, then places are just an excuse. You can't say that I am in a very small remote area, so my dreams are or probably my dreams are too big to be even coming into a show. It is a myth,
Yeah,
an
yeah.
absolute myth. I stay in a small town and I believe that places don't make you at all. It is what you make out of that place, one. And I think now we are so well connected with the other things like internet, through other media channels, through other ways of reaching out to people, that all these area specific problems are not a problem anymore. So as an entrepreneur, if you feel that you're living or staying in any part of the world, which could be as big or which could be as small as ever, it really doesn't matter. Because all that matters is how well are you aligned with the purpose that you're holding on into your life. So if your purpose is that I'm going to make a difference, then you can make a difference sitting down anywhere.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
yeah.
if you're sitting anywhere, even in the metros, that you don't have a purpose, it really doesn't matter. So myth is absolutely today broken that small towns are not the places to explore your dreams. Go ahead, explore anything and everything where you're sitting. So I think, especially during this pandemic, we have broken that rule absolutely. We are all under
Yeah,
one
yeah.
roof, wherever we are sitting, till the time we are performing, till the time we are result oriented. It doesn't really matter. We need to learn from the back end operations. America outsources and all its back end operations happen in India. And as compared to America, India is a very, very small space. So,
Yeah.
we need to learn how to get the work done. One. So, it is very important that we know how to get the work done. Secondly, we need to know that getting outsourcing of work is the new, and we need to have that faith on people and make it easier for us. There has been a lot of growth in that sector because Indians being very hardworking are doing their best to make those work sessions or work related things absolutely possible for them. So, till the time you have a specific goal and you have mentioned it to the team, it absolutely is fair wherever you're sitting.
Yeah, yeah. I can give you the example of my institute, yeah, my firm also, Knowledge Buddy. We have
Right.
started this talk show 96 days back.
Okay.
Until today, this is a 32nd episode right now we are having. On Sunday, we are having the international speaker from Australia. So that's a very good thing that in 32nd episode we have achieved that the international speakers want to speak to India. Whatever we are telling to the people that entrepreneurs live. So the entrepreneurs from the Australia also they want to share some views to the Indians. So that's a very good thing for our platform that people from abroad also want to share their knowledge to the people in India right now. So
That's
that's so
absolutely fantastic.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, we are also from a small city from Indore only, but right now on online platform we are covering all over pan India, and right now we are penetrating in the world also in the coming coming time. Definitely, we have more speakers from international market also. They will guide the people from Indians how they can make the things what they want to achieve in their life. So that's a very good thing because nothing can be before 3 months we were just thinking that whatever क्या होगा क्या चीज़ें होंगी कैसे होगा सेशन जब हमारा फर्स्ट स्पीकर आया था तो हमको कितना सोचा नहीं था कि 3 मंथ्स में इतने सारे स्पीकर्स हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे होंगे लेकिन जैसे जैसे चीज़ें प्रोग्रेस होती हैं डेफिनेटली एक रास्ता बनता जाता है और लोग आपसे जुड़ते जाते हैं एंड वी विल गेट द सपोर्ट ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो तो दिस इज़ द जर्नी जो आपको तय करना है स्टार्टिंग में देन डेफिनेटली पीपल विल सपोर्ट यू एंड लाइक today you are with us and sharing your thoughts so more people want to share their thoughts so it's a journey yeah so
Absolutely.
let's
And
proceed yeah yeah
and
yeah
there's one thing I want to add, it really doesn't matter where you are because, there is a high time now. We all understand that skill is supposed to be shown and that can be from anywhere. So like when